Hey everybody, we are at the beginning of the first proper blizzard in 13 years, and you think, okay, it's gonna be dangerous, you gotta stay home, stay cozy, but then you live with a husky, so think again. Winds pretty strong. I mean, you can see there, and then you can see here. Max, it's a blizzard warning, eh? Should we go home? No. Should we keep walking? Yes. So yeah, here's another hint. Blizzards, huskies, they love them. You better love them too. Out and about. See you later with another update later, probably tomorrow.